What's up guys, welcome back to another Kicks video. So I know I've been absent for a while. Kicks, the restorations has been like super crazy busy, so you know, sorry about that, but I'm trying to make some videos again. Got a pair right here I was really anxious for to cop. They first were planned to release in, I believe it was February, and they got delayed and delayed and delayed, and only until now, June, late June, they released, and it was a women's release. But you know, just let me get them out of the box. I ordered them from Nike.com. Excuse me, I'm a little bit under the weather. Here's the front of the box with the label. It says Women's Air Max 98, size 11, 43 of men, or US 9.5. In centimeters it's actually a 44 or US 10. But they run a bit tight, the 98s, so this is perfect for me. And the colorway is Court Purple Terra Blush. And they are so clean. I'm really a fan of a Hornets colorway shoe. I think it always looks so super sick. Man, let's get out the other two. So it was Court Purple and Terra Blush. I mean, man, they look so sick, even better in hand than I would have expected, than what I saw on the pictures. So to get into the materials, the whole Court Purple mudguard is nubuck. Then the panel above is leather. The swoosh is embroidered in white and some tapezio brown, it looks like. I'm not sure what that brown is called. Then the 98 stitching all over the upper is, well, embroidered, it's stitched in. And then you have this small panel right here, which kind of looks a little bit like stingray leather. It probably is not, but it looks like it. Then for the eyelets with the 3M Court Purple and 3M hits, and the complete upper right here, this whole area is all nylon. I'm not sure if I can show you guys that, but maybe if it will focus a little bit. Yeah, my camera has some issues. It might be visible, it might not. So yeah, I really like that. I'm not sure. I own 3 98s now, but I don't think any of them has a pretty much full nylon upper. Then for the laces, got some nice metal tips, metal anklets. Yeah, I don't like to lace till the top eyelet, because I like to show the tongue when I'm wearing them. With the Court Purple, I believe it was Spirit Teal actually, which I saw on the website, and the brown, which can be the Terra Blush. Correct me if I'm wrong, I'm not sure. The insole is just a white with the brown again branding, and for the outsole, a full teal outsole with a purple hits and teal swoosh underneath. And of course for the whole bubble it's scored purple, which I think looks super dope. To get into the finishing of the kicks, I didn't really see anything on the left side. Maybe this side has some flaws. They do have some minor issues with the bubbles, and as 9 out of 10 times when you buy a 97 or 98, the edges of the bubble where it's painted on the midsole, they usually have some, yeah, half-ass finishing, just like over here. Doesn't really look that clean, you know. But yeah, overall I think they look really nice. Can't wait to put them on feet. Also, I want to keep this video a little bit short, so I'll just go ahead and throw these babies on feet. So let's go, man. Alright, so those were the on feet shots. Thank you guys a lot for watching. Let me know what you thought about the video. Let me know what you think I can do better. And I'll just see you guys in the next one. I'm out.
Peace.